first up we have start to the monosaccharides. They are those sugars are simple carbohydrate monomers which cannot be hydrolyzed further into smaller components. इसको हम फर्दर स्मॉल कंपोनेंट्स में इसको हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते या हाइड्रोलाइज नहीं हो सकता है. दे हैव ए जनरल फार्मूला CnH2nOn. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स मोनोसेक्राइड्स आर ऑफ फॉलोइंग 5 टाइप्स. पहला है ट्रायोजेज, टेट्रोजेज, पेंटोजेज, हेक्सोजेज एंड हेप्टोजेज. The aldehydes or ketogenic group can also react with an alcoholic or nitrogen groups of another organic compounds. They bond to form is called as glycosidic bonds. COCOO, C single bond O, single bond C, or CNC. Glycosidic bonds are also established during the condensation of monosaccharides for the formation of oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. A molecules of water is usually produced at each condensation. Example of dehydration synthesis. Hexoses are generally white crystalline and sweet substances. Fructose is sweetest of the sweetest substances. Fructose is sweetest of all naturally occurring sugars. It is also called fruit sugars. Fruit sugar भी हम इसको बोलते हैं. It is common occurrence in fruits. For example, exception grapes. ग्रेप्स को छोड़ के बाकी सारे फ्रूट्स में ये पाए जाते हैं फ्रक्टोज. नेक्टर एंड हनी कंटेन्स फ्रक्टोज. द सेम इज कॉल्ड एज लेब्यूलोज बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लेबोरेटरी नेचर. ग्लूकोज इज ए ब्लड शुगर एंड कॉमन रेस्पिरेटरी सब्सटेंस विच आल्सो कॉल्ड ग्रेप शुगर. कॉर्न शुगर इट इज कॉल्ड डेस्ट्रोज बिकॉज डेस्टोरोटेटरी. डेस्ट्रोज क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि ये डेस्टोरेटरी होते हैं. लेब्यूलोज क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि ये लेबोरेटरी नेचर के होते हैं. Derived from monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are modified and variously to form a number of different substances. The important derived are deoxysugars, amino sugars, sugar acids, and sugar alcohols. These are derived for 4 types. ठीक, deoxysugars, amino sugars, sugar acids, and sugar alcohol. Deoxysugar क्या होता है? Deoxygenation of the ribose produce deoxyribose. The latter is a constituent of the deoxyribotides found in DNA. Amino sugar. The monosaccharides have an amino group NH2. Glucosamine forms chitins, fungus, cellulose, hyaluronic acid, and chondroitin sulfates. Galactosamine is similarly as a component of chondroitin sulfate. Third is sugar acid. Ascorbic acid is a sugar acid. Glucuronic acids and galactonic acid occurs in mucopolysaccharides. Fourth and last, sugar's alcohol. Glycerol is involved in the lipid synthesis. Mannitol is a storage alcohol in some fruits and brown algae. Next है oligosaccharides. They are small carbohydrates which are formed by condensation of 2,9 monosaccharides. Therefore, oligosaccharides belong to the category of compound carbohydrates. Depending upon the number of monosaccharide molecules condensation to oligosaccharides, the latter are known as disaccharides. For example के लिए हम जैसे मान लेते हैं सुक्रोज एंड लैक्टोज. ट्राइसैकराइड्स रैफिनोज. टेट्रासैकराइड्स स्टाइचोज. पेंटासैकराइड्स hexosaccharides and heptasaccharides. The smallest and common oligosaccharides are disaccharides. They are formed by the condensation of 2 monosaccharides molecules. Hexone disaccharides are best known. For example जैसे सुक्रोज हो गया, मल्टोज हो गया, लैक्टोज हो गया एंड ट्रीहाइलोज हो गया. The aldehyde regions of glucose and ketones region of fructose. Unlike its components glucose and fructose, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. In sucrose, fructose occurs in the furanose pentagons form while glucose is in a pyranose hexagon. Sucrose is the storage carbohydrates of sugar cane and sugar beets. Maltose or malt sugar is named so because of its occurrence in malted grains of barley. It is also found in detectable amounts in most germinating seeds and tissues where starch is being broken down. It is reducing sugar, which is formed by the conditions of two molecules of glucose. Two molecules of glucose. Lactose are milk sugars and sweetening index. Lactose or milk sugar is named so because it is found naturally in milk. It is reducing sugar which is formed inside mammary glands by beta 1 for, for condensation of two hexose molecules. So glucose and galactose. कौन से हैं? Glucose and galactose. Souring of milk is due to the conversion of lactose into lactic acids. Trisaccharide raffinase is also a reducing sugar. It is formed of glucose, fructose and galactose. Sweetening index of sugars, maltose and lactose is respectively 100, 32 and 16. It is 170 for fructose, 40,000 for saccharine and 2 lakhs for monoline, a protein. Difference between reducing and non-reducing sugars. What is the difference between the reducing and non-reducing sugar? First reducing sugar में देखेंगे. First the sugar have a free aldehyde. CHO इसमें free रहता है. Are ketonic CO groups. Non-reducing में a free aldehyde or ketonic group is absent. इन दोनों इसमें CHO and CO group दोनों absent होते हैं. Second है the sugar can reduce cupric ions of Benedict's or failing solution to cuprous ion. In presence of Benedict ions, Benedict or failing solution, the sugars can be reduced in cupric ions into cuprous ions. Second है इसका non-reducing में they do not reduce cupric ions of Benedict or failing solution to cuprous ion. Function of small carbohydrate. This is next topics.